Welcome. In today's tutorial, I will teach you how to create your first ebook using Canva. If you're a beginner, this is a place to start. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to choose a template, customize your pages, add images, format your text, and export your ebook for publishing or printing. Let's get started. Before we begin designing, let's create your Canva account. Go to www.canva.com and click on Sign Up. You can create an account using your email, your Google account, your Facebook account. Once you log in, you'll land on your Canva dashboard. Once you're in the account, come to the middle and click on Templates. Type eBook. Choose a free template without the crown icon if you don't have a premium account. Click Customize and begin editing. Most cover pages are 8 by 11, so it is important to choose the correct size from the beginning. If you're planning to use a free account, changing the size later will require upgrading to a paid plan. So what I suggest you do is when searching for the ebook templates, you type books and type the size of the template. If you have a paid plan, you can resize by following these steps. Come to the left-hand side, click on resize, scroll down to custom size, and then type the size that you like to work with. Choose the resize to apply the new size to the current design, or copy to resize to keep the original version. To begin personalizing your template, you must click on the text so that this menu bar appears. Here you'll have the option of changing font. You'll also have the option of changing the size. Then you have the option of changing colors. From here, you can also underline text if you like, center it off the line, or write a line. I'm going to keep it centered. If you need to space out your letters, you can come and do so here, or you can also line space from here. Control the space in between the two words. Now let's learn how to change the background on your cover page. Click on the corner of your page and notice that the entire page is highlighted and a different menu shows up. Let's look at it. When I click on the text, one menu shows up. When I click on the background, a different menu shows up. This menu gives me an option of changing background color. You can click on that icon and now come to the left to change your background color. The option of transparency, notice that it makes the color almost translucent versus the color that you had originally placed. You can make your ebook interesting by selecting cool icons and illustrations or photos that support your topic. If you want to make those changes, you come here. You can delete by clicking backspace, or you can also select and click on the trash can, delete. To add new images, you can come to the left-hand side, go to Uploads, click on Upload Files, and within your computer, find that file if you haven't uploaded. Once it uploads, it will show up here on the bottom, and you can now click on it, and it will bring it into your design. Removing background is a paid feature. This is what it looks like. Now to add elements, you can come to the left-hand side panel and find element. Use the search bar to find the specific element you want. For example, if you're looking for arrows, if you're looking for a specific image, you can type, for example, flowers, press enter, and it will generate all the flowers available. Any graphic that you like to select, click on it, and it will transfer into your template. You can grab from the corner to resize it. You can also grab from the edges to crop. Have fun designing and personalizing your ebook cover. Make sure that you've personalized the cover enough so that it's truly your own. To add a page, scroll down and click on Add a Page. Notice that the page will be the same color as the color of your cover page. To change that color, make highlighted the entire page so that you can see this menu bar. Click on Background Color, and on the left-hand side, you can choose the color you prefer. Now, to add elements to my page, I will use a template that's already been designed. Come to the left-hand side and click on Designs. Type Book Pages and find the template that you like. Click on that template and Canva will instantly insert the template into your book. You can continue adding pages by clicking Add a Page and selecting the next template that you like to use. To make changes to these templates and personalize them, click on the section you want to edit to begin typing. If I want to change the image, I will click on the image and then come to the left-hand side, and I have the option to look in my uploads. Notice that I drag and it will automatically place it for me. Or I can click on the image and find an element. I click on the image once it's inserted, drag it to place it in that section. To change fonts, click on the text that you like to change. Notice that a new menu bar shows up. Click on the first option, which is the type of font. A new menu will show up on the left-hand side, which will give you several options of text. Select the text that you prefer, and it will instantly change it. To duplicate any of these pages that you like to continue using, you can come here at the top, and you'll see the option to duplicate. When writing your ebook, you may not know exactly the details of your table of contents, and this may be one of the last pages you work on. This is why I'm showing you towards the end how to create your table of contents and bring it over into your ebook or printed book. Let's begin. To create your table of contents, find Home on the left-hand side menu. Click on Templates. Find Table of Contents. Select your favorite. Click on it, and then click Customize. Begin editing your table. Once all changes have been applied, come to the top, change the name of your template, and you can simply click out of the box and it will save it. Now come to the left-hand side and click on these lines where it says Open Menu. Find Home and find the project that you are working on. From here, go to a blank page. Come to the left-hand side again and click Projects. You will see the table of content that you just created. Click on it and Canva will instantly insert it for you. If the table of contents is not in the correct position, come to the bottom right, click on Pages to generate these small tiles. Now you can drag the page, hold your mouse, and place it where you'd like to move it. Another view that you also have available is the grid view, which you can also use to move pages around. Hold them, drag them, and sort pages the way you like. You can also add pages from here. Click on the page that you like to work on, and it will expand it, and you can continue working. Now, to create a clickable table of contents so that your reader can quickly navigate through your ebook, these are the steps you must follow. Come to the bottom to the grid view option. You will find the first page of each chapter in your text. So, for example, here I have page 3 already labeled as chapter 1. I'm going to pretend this page here is chapter 2. Moving on to next page where chapter 3 begins. And I will repeat the process until I am done. Once done, you come back here to this grid, close the grid view, and come back to your table of contents. You're going to click on the title, click on the 3 dots, and now click on link. From here, you'll be able to quickly find the chapter 1 page since you already labeled it. Click on done and you can move on. Now you go on to the next chapter, click on the 3 dots, link, and find chapter 2 that you already labeled. Click on done. In order to make sure that these links remain live, when you're downloading your document, you're going to click on share, download, and the format for these links to remain live must be PDF standard. To add page numbers to your ebook, come to the left-hand side menu and click on text. Scroll down to dynamic text where you will see page numbers. Now pick the format you prefer, either numbers only or page plus the number or the number of pages out of the total. You can then select which pages you want the numbers to show up. So I can unselect the cover and my table of contents and any other pages that you may not want labeled. I can click on the number and resize it. I can also come to the top and change the format, the type of font that I'm using. Once I've applied the size and the specific format that I like, I'm coming back to page numbers and now click on apply properties to all pages, and notice that now all my other pages have the new format.